What's up, guys? This is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews. So today, I'm gonna kind of teach you how to integrate new chickens into your existing flock, and just a little background. Some hawks have been frequenting this tree line, and they sit on that big tree in the corner, and then they hop on this fence post and then get our chickens when they lay in that corner right there. So we started with 6 chickens, now we're down to 3. But just a little info, if you want to integrate your chickens or bring some new ones into the flock, is what I've been doing is I've been keeping our new chickens, our golden comets, in a new coop. So I put them in the new coop, and I'm opening the door to expose them to the new chickens, kind of under a controlled environment. So I'm about to let them out, and you notice I'm pointing with this bottle. I like to keep this spray bottle with water, and if they get in a little tussle, too much of a tussle, I'll spray one of them, and they usually break it up pretty easy. But some things to know is that when you get new chickens, don't expose them to each other right away. My current chickens over here, they will get very territorial. You know, there is a pecking order, and when you bring new chickens in, they have to reestablish that pecking order potentially. So there could be some pretty deadly fights, or fights that would injure your new or existing chickens. So it is super important to kind of get them in the same area and getting them to realize that they can share food, they're not going to go without, and that they will be able to roam the same area safely. So that's just a few tips. So what I'm going to do with these guys is I'm going to keep them in here until maybe a week or so, and gradually let them out every single day. So I'll kind of show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to let them out and let them roam around. And then after I let them roam around for an hour with my chickens over here, I'm going to put these chickens back in their coop and let the new chickens roam around without them being in the yard. So after a couple weeks, or maybe a week, I'll see how the controlled meetups go, and then during the night I will take the new chickens and I will put them in the existing coop while my older chickens are sleeping. So when everybody wakes up in the morning, they're kind of they're not as shocked. So that's just a few tips. Just be very careful. Especially, we have some silkies over here that we're trying to integrate to the herd as well, but we decided not to do that with the bigger chickens because they're kind of small. But just be careful when you're doing this. Birds are funny creatures and can get very ugly with each other. So just use your common sense and look up videos, research the literature, and yeah. It can be an easy process, or it can be pretty difficult. So just make it easier on yourself. I'll go get some food for everybody. We'll really see some fireworks here. Let's see. Get some worms here. All right, everybody. All right. So we seem to be doing pretty good. Pepper, our chicken right here, when we first had a meetup, she was not excited. So, oh yeah, there she goes. She was pretty aggressive. But now they seem to be, oh, here's the queen bee of the crew right here. Let's see what she does. So far, so good. Don't do it. This is our problem chicken right here, Luis. She's not really laying any eggs. And she's pretty mean. Oh. This is going pretty well relative to the first meetup, so. All right, we'll keep doing some videos, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.